Ants farm. Some ant species, especially leafcutter ants, cultivate fungi. They cut leaves and carry them to the nest. The leaves are not food, but fertilizer for the fungi. They constantly clean the fungi. If harmful bacteria appear, they remove them from the nest. They were doing this millions of years before humans transitioned to agriculture. Some ant species, especially leafcutter ants, cultivate fungi. They cut leaves and carry them to the nest. The leaves are not food, but fertilizer for the fungi. They constantly clean the fungi. If harmful bacteria appear, they remove them from the nest. They were doing this millions of years before humans transitioned to agriculture. Some species, e.g., army ants, engage in organized warfare. Colonies attack each other. Thousands of ants move simultaneously. The winning colony steals the larvae of the losing colony. These larvae grow and work in the new colony. A colony without a queen slowly dies. Queen produces eggs, releases pheromones that identify the colony. If the queen dies, worker ants continue to work, but no new ants are born. The colony eventually dies out. In some species, workers may lay eggs temporarily, but this is insufficient in the long run. Ants can carry 50 times their own weight. For a human, this is like lifting 70 kilograms, 3.5 tons. The reason? Small body size, strong muscle-to-weight ratio, exoskeleton. That's why they can carry heavy loads without tipping over. Ants find their way by scent, not by map. Ants leave a trail of pheromones on the ground. Others follow this trail. The shorter path is used more often, so its scent is stronger. This allows them to automatically choose the shortest path. Ants don't recognize themselves in mirrors. Ants use chemical, not visual recognition. If an ant colony doesn't recognize it, it will attack. Even if they are of the same species, if the colony's scent is different, it is considered an enemy. Ants don't breathe like we do. Ants have no lungs, have no trachea, get oxygen through holes in their bodies called spiracles. Oxygen goes directly to the cells. That's why their suffocation mechanism is very different from ours. The total weight of all ants in the world is close to that of all humans. According to scientists, there are at least 20 quadrillion ants in the world. Their total biomass is close to the total weight of all humans. Ants are small, but a colossal force on a global scale. Ants can be turned into zombies naturally. Ophiocordyceps fungus controls the ant's brain, forces it to climb to a specific place. The ant dies. Spores are released from the fungus. This is not science fiction. It's a natural phenomenon. Hi everyone. From now on, I will be reading out the names of the users who have subscribed to the channel.